Hi, how are you? Let's draw the map of the Australia, and its capital is Canberra. Okay, and we are going to draw the maps so that you can find it in the world atlas, and I am going to show you the other sides. So it has a bordering with the Coral Sea here, Tasman Sea here, Indian Ocean on the other side, and Indian Ocean on this side. So usually it's like a biggest island, and it's in the middle of the sea. But the land area is so much vast that it's like a continent. Let's start the drawing. But before the drawing, the basic things for drawing in map perfectly. You need to outline it with the uh, some grid so that you don't miss the user shapes. So let's put it in a grid here. Okay, all right, and another grid I'm going to put here. Mhm. All right, so the whole drawing you can see it's under the grid, and let's start the drawing from the top. Small island here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Usually, the shape of the map is not a regular one, so each country has a different shape. In that case, if you want to keep the shape like most similar and the most perfect way, you have to follow the grids and do the particular items on that grids. In that case, the outlook of the map doesn't bend or incline or deformed in another shape. You have got a particular shape, perfect shape. Okay, so these are the some islands and other land areas. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now we are drawing other lines. Okay. All right, so usual shape of Australia you can see here, and this is the basic thing is that like you have to draw the grids like this, the x-axis and y-axis, then it's divided into four segments. So you can draw the particular drawing for each segment, and that's how the map doesn't go right or left, and it becomes almost the perfect one. Now for most real visualization, and let's separate the area from the surrounding paper. We're going to draw this the light color for the map so that it does look good. All right, I'm just putting the color combination monochromatic so that it has a very nice and good outlook. Only one grid is left, so the other three portions of the axis is done. Now I'm just filling up the last one which is left here. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so you can see the Australian map, and also we are going to cover some other countries' map too. You can browse to our playlist and select the choice of your own. We have lots of categories and drawing. We have lots of flags, lots of flowers, scenery, so many drawings. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.